Hi there, let me teach you how to properly fix your iPhone not connecting to your PC, Mac, or Windows. First things first, we really need to make sure that the connection problem is via software and not hardware. Please make sure everything is connected properly. If you determine that it is software, I want you to install this app to make sure that we are really connecting it properly. As you can see here, mine is connecting properly. That being said, if you already inserted the hardware, the connector to your PC and your iPhone, I want you to look for Device Manager. Just type in Device Manager, click Enter, and then just look for this icon. It says USB controllers or Universal Serial Bus controllers. Expand it, and then you should look for this iPhone Mobile. This should be my iPhone right now. And then if it's on your end, just right click on it, click on Uninstall Device, and then click on Install. But make sure you tick this one out, delete all driver software as well. So what we're doing right now is we're doing a clean restart on the connection of our phone and PC. Because technically there is a corrupted file with the connection itself. So we're just gonna do a clean slate. We're gonna clean restart it. And that's how you fix your iPhone not connecting on your PC. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.